kindness and hard work create true magic in life.
Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Laila. She was very kind, but sometimes a little lazy.
I'll do it later, maybe tomorrow.
One day, she found a tiny bird, hurt and alone.
Oh, you're hurt. Don't worry, I'm here.
She took the bird home and cared for it with love.
Drink slowly, you will be okay. You're feeling better, little one. Here, have some water. All better now?
Thank you, Laila. You are very kind.
You can talk?
Come with me. I will show you something special. The bird took Laila to a magical garden. It was full of colorful flowers, sweet fruits, and shining trees. Laila was amazed by its beauty.
Wow, this is so beautiful! Oh, Liga! Fly, Liga! Big Papa! Adventure!
This garden can only be seen by those who are kind and hardworking.
I was kind, but I was also lazy. I need to change. I promise. I will work hard from today.
That is the true magic day.
Today, I will not be lazy. Time to clean up these sparkly stars. All done. Now to put the basket in its place. There we go. Laundry time. I love helping. All neat and tidy. What's next? More fun.
Thank you, dear child.
I'm happy to help. Grow beautifully. There you go, little sprout.
She has truly changed. Laila returned to the magical garden. It was brighter than ever.
Wow.
Because her heart had changed, the magic had grown too. Keep being kind. Keep working hard.
I will, always.